Aurora. TrustScanner for Aptos is a next-generation browser extension built to make blockchain interactions safer, smarter, and more transparent. In the fast-growing world of decentralized applications, thousands of new smart contracts appear every day, and not all of them can be trusted. Many users unknowingly connect to contracts that are unverified or malicious, often resulting in lost funds or compromised wallets. Aurora was created to solve this problem by offering instant, easy-to-understand trust insights for any contract address on the Aptos blockchain. With a single click, users can see how reliable a contract is before they ever interact with it. Aurora integrates effortlessly with popular Aptos wallets such as Petra and Martian, blending security and convenience without interrupting the user experience. Behind the scenes, Aurora combines a powerful Node.js backend with a sleek React frontend. The backend acts as the intelligence engine, analyzing contract code, ownership, and transaction history to detect red flags. The front end presents this information in a clear and friendly interface that anyone can understand. When a user enters a contract address, Aurora performs a detailed analysis and produces a trust score within seconds. Green indicates that the contract appears safe and verified, while yellow or red warn of possible risks. Each score is accompanied by a brief explanation, highlighting suspicious patterns, unverified ownership, or unsafe functions that might affect user safety. Beyond scanning, Aurora helps users stay informed through automatic detection and real-time alerts. Whenever you visit a decentralized app or interact with a new contract, Aurora quietly checks for threats in the background and notifies you if anything seems unsafe. For added transparency, Aurora can optionally record verification results on-chain using a Move module, allowing anyone to review the data publicly. This hybrid design combines off-chain intelligence for speed with on-chain verification for accountability. Aurora is more than just a security tool, it's a step toward a trustworthy and user-friendly blockchain future. By helping users identify risks early, it builds confidence in the Aptos ecosystem and encourages safer adoption of decentralized technology. Aurora. TrustScanner for Aptos, making blockchain safer, one scan at a time.